Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for CFA Level 1. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure and the weight of each topic area. This understanding is crucial for allocating your study time effectively. Next, develop a realistic study schedule, aiming for at least 300 hours of preparation. Begin your studies by focusing on the foundational concepts, building a strong base before moving to more complex topics. Consistency is key throughout your preparation journey. Choosing the right study materials is vital for success. You can use the official CFA curriculum or opt for well-regarded third-party providers that offer condensed notes and practice questions. Integrate practice questions and mock exams into your routine from the start, not just at the end. Divide your study material into smaller, manageable daily sessions to avoid burnout and ensure consistent progress. This approach helps reinforce learning and builds confidence. Consistent practice and review are non-negotiable for CFA Level 1. Make it a habit to regularly revisit topics you've already covered to strengthen your retention. Actively identify your weak areas through practice questions and dedicate extra time to understanding those concepts thoroughly. As you get closer to the exam, simulate actual exam conditions by taking timed mock tests. This helps you manage time effectively and reduces anxiety on exam day. In your final weeks, prioritize reviewing ethics and quantitative methods, as these are heavily weighted and foundational. Ensure you get adequate rest in the days leading up to the exam. A well-rested mind performs best. On exam day, arrive early at the test center, bringing all required identification and approved calculators. Stay calm, read each question carefully, and manage your time wisely. You've put in the work, so trust your preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.